In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the merciful for all, who is the master of day and night. Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. Any activity directed toward the development of an organized body of scientific knowledge is called research. Research is a systematic activity, process, analysis, D option all of above. Research is a source of inventions. Research may be classified into two categories. The first classification of research is a research by purpose and second is by method. Basic research is a research by purpose. Historical research is a research by method. Applied research is a research by purpose. Descriptive research is a research by method. Action research is a research by purpose. Experimental research is a research by method. Casual, comparative, and correlation research are the research by method. The research that conducted solely for the purpose of theory development refinement is called basic research. A research that is usually conducted in laboratories, basic research. A research uses animals as subjects rather than human beings, basic research. Control is very tight in basic research. A lot of work is done by workers in basic research. A research that is conducted for applying and testing of theories applied. Human as subjects in place of in applied research. Level of control and precision lies in applied research. Researchers, the educationist, in place of workers in both A and B. A research that is conducted to solve the practical problems through application of scientific method. Action. A research that is focused and immediate application. Action. A research that is concerned with local problem is action. A research that is conducted in local setting. Action. A research which has a decentralized approach is action. A research that is conducted usually in schools or an educational institutions. Action. A research which has a classroom approach is action. Pupils are the subjects in action research. Researchers are the teachers in action. A research which is conducted for improving classroom and school practices. Action. Poor quality, non-applicability are the characteristics of action research. Historical research is a research by method. A research that is conducted for studying, understanding and explaining events. historical. The data is collected through primary and secondary sources in historical. This is reported by an actual observer or participant in an event. Primary source: the accounts of events that were not actually witnessed by the reporter. Secondary source: external and internal criticism is the characteristics of historical research. A research that aims at presenting the important fact about the life, character, ideas, and contribution of eminent educators, philosophers, and scholars to the field of education. Bibliographic research. Bibliographic research is the type of historical research. The research that is conducted for studying the legal basis of the institutions being run by the different religious and ethnic groups. Legal research is a type of descriptive. A research that is conducted for describe the current status of a phenomena. Descriptive: people's opinion, views, perception, beliefs, attitudes, and investigate through descriptive. Dear students, please subscribe my channel. Thanks.